Hey, it's Mr. Peace here at Kinetic Academy in Huntington Beach, California, and just another beautiful time that I got to come here and visit my family here in California. It was a unique day for me. The assemblies were outside, my first time doing that, but just great weather, great people, and the Kinetic Academy continues to grow. So we still spoke to grades TK through 7, but now they're at 2 different locations. There's Kinetic Academy West and Kinetic Academy East. And the main message that I shared with all the students today and staff was about positivity, being your best self. And such an important message in today's world, that we maintain a positive attitude, not only when things are going really well, but when things aren't going so well too, right? That when we're facing a difficult problem or a tough situation in our lives, whether it's at home, whether it's at school, whether it's just in general, that we can always try to keep that positivity and keep trying to be the best version of who we are. And like I rapped about, like I spoke about, the stories I shared, it's all about giving our absolute best and never nothing less, right? We do that with each and every breath, each and every day. And the students really picked up on that, to really start to understand that we have to be positive at our school, you know, in our community, with our teachers, with our friends, with our family, all areas of our life, to rid ourselves of that negativity, that we're not good enough, that we can't do something, that we're not smart enough, we're not pretty enough, any of those not enoughs, and replace it with something more positive, that we can do anything, that we can make a difference, right, in other people's lives. And that starts with belief in ourselves too. We always revisit this, the M on our palms, M for miracle, right, the lines on each of our hands, and upside down W for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it, and know that we can do anything, we can accomplish anything, as long as we just keep doing our best. That true excellence, it's not being the best, but it's just doing your best, giving your greatest effort, just asking yourself, can I maybe give a little bit more? And once you answer that question, hopefully it's yes, then at the end of the day, we just do our best and rest, right? That it's all about not comparing ourselves to others, but just focusing on our own effort, on our own ability, on our own talents, and making that what we try to accomplish each and every day. And so just another great time that I got to visit with everybody, talking about the opposite of success as well, which is not failure, but giving up or quitting. So just that mentality that we never give up, that if we make a mistake, that we aren't a mistake. If we fail, that we aren't a failure, right? That we keep our heads up. Like the shirt says for this particular assembly, it's keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose. So if you feel down or look down, it's a reminder to always think positive no matter what. Thank you guys again for touching my heart. You're beautiful. Always have a place in my heart. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Check out the amazing playlist of motivational videos right here. And feel free to visit my website through the link on the screen too, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.